The FFD Group is an online distributor to the hospitality and food service industry, equipping businesses including restaurants, bars, shops, supermarkets, schools and catering services, plus many more across the UK. Founded in 2007, the company originally operated from a single domain. However, as the business expanded and the product portfolio grew, the business seen today was born. Operating across 3 separate domains, each site targets a micro niche within the wider industry. FFD Commercial Refrigeration focuses on professional chilled cabinets, counters, walk-in rooms and displays for food storage and cold display in kitchens, bars and retail settings. FFD Catering Equipment specialises in commercial cooking appliances, food preparation, cookware, tableware and safety and hygiene supplies for the catering sector. FFD Grease Management Solutions is dedicated to providing equipment to prevent the fats, oils and grease produced in commercial kitchens from entering mains water systems. Collectively across the 3 online stores, we can tackle the needs and requirements of every aspect of the same hospitality and catering customer base. So, if your business needs anything ranging from a commercial combination oven or grease trap to a roll-in blast chiller, we've got you covered. To make shopping across FFD Commercial Refrigeration, FFD Catering Equipment and FFD Grease Management Solutions as easy as possible, we've introduced easy-to-use tabs at the top of every page to quickly navigate between sites. We haven't stopped there though. Also using a shared search and a shared shopping cart, customers can find exactly what they need across all 3 sites and check out with a single payment, whether making a purchase from 1, 2 or all 3 domains. As an established distributor, we have a wide customer base, dealing with all size businesses from sole traders to blue chip companies. We have over 15,000 products and around 300 market-leading brands across the 3 sites, meaning that not only can we deliver the perfect product, but also at highly competitive prices. Although operating across 3 domains, we are one business, with the same experience and knowledgeable team at your service to offer full support throughout the whole buying experience. Whether you're looking for free, impartial advice or a team that can help you find the perfect product, assist you through the buying process, keep you up to date with delivery information and offer a fully comprehensive after-sales care service, you're in the right place. With various ways to make secure payments and options to help you manage the costs such as bank transfers, buy now, pay in 3, PayPal, credit accounts for public sector and leasing solutions regulated by the FCA, purchasing online is simple and safe. As a long-time member of CEDA, Catering Equipment Distributors Association, among other organisations, we've firmly cemented our position within the industry as a trusted source of quality equipment and professional service. FFD Commercial Refrigeration is a proud Refcom Elite supplier, demonstrating our commitment to responsible and environmentally friendly practices when it comes to supplying businesses with commercial equipment that uses refrigerants. Also a member of the CIS scheme, we're fully registered to work with contractors and subcontractors for cold room installations and projects on any site. To cover all hospitality and food service needs regarding commercial refrigeration, catering equipment and grease management solutions, without the chore of dealing with multiple orders and different suppliers, our experienced team have got you covered with everything your business needs for success.